Hi friends, I am Parul. Welcome to my channel Parul Saraf Recipes in English. Today we are going to prepare homemade Cerelac for children. We have to take half cup rice. You can take any brand of rice. Half cup moong dal without pill. Add it also. Now we have to take 5 almonds. Add some water and wash all the ingredients very carefully as we are making it for the children. So make sure all the things are very clean. I have already washed it 5 to 6 times until it is clean. Now add some water again and soak it for at least 1.5 hours. Now let us check after that. Let's check it out. All the ingredients have soaked properly in water now. We can check it also. Now they are soft enough to cut with our fingers. Now our materials are ready. Let us drain all the waters properly. Now take soft and clean towel of the kitchen and spread the material very well so that it can be dry properly. We need a dry material to make a homemade Cerelac. Now our material is ready after 1.5 hours. Have to keep it under sunlight. Now it's ready and let's start. Take a pan, add all the materials in it. We are using high flame at this moment, at least for 1 minute. After that, we are going to slow our flame. We have to stir it properly. It is going to take at least 10 to 12 minutes. There is moisture right now. We have to roast it very properly. Now it is almost 12 minutes. Let us check. Now the color of the material is also got changed and the size is also decreases. Now material is ready. We have to move ahead now. Now spread the material on a plate so that it comes to a room temperature. Let cool it down because we have to grind the material, so it is very necessary that it should be cooled down at a room temperature. Then also grinding is possible. We have to take this small jar of the mixer and try to make a very fine powder. Now we have to filter our material because we want big particles and small particles to be separated. We get this much big particles only, so let us remove this. Now our homemade Cerelac powder is ready. Now we are going to learn how we can get it ready for the children. Take 2 spoons of homemade Cerelac powder in a small pan. Add half cup of water. Make sure this is a very fine paste. It should be lumps free. Stir it properly. Again add water. We have to add complete 1 cup of water in the whole mixture. Now it is ready. We have to add small spoon of sugar to enhance the taste of the Cerelac. Small amount of salt and boil the mixture. We have to keep it on gas for only 2 minutes. Let's boil our mixture very well. We got a very good amount. Now our Cerelac is ready. This is very thick now. You can add some more water if you want liquid form of Cerelac. It's totally up to you which form of Cerelac you want to give your children. You can store this mixture for 15 days at least and give your child instantly whenever you want. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and close ones. Thank you so much.